everyone, I'm Shivantika, legal intern at LEXIS and Company for the month of June, and today we'll take yet another question that most of the consumers basically have while they are shopping or they are buying articles of their choice. So let's take another example today. Suppose that I open a self-service shop, okay, self-service system shop, and you enter the shop, take a basket and take some articles of your choice and place it into the basket and reach me for the payment. So if I refuse to accept the price that you are saying or you are offering me at the moment, can I be compelled to sell the said articles to you? So let's talk about that today. So this is a mere situation of an offer and an invitation to offer. We need to understand the difference between the two. The offer should be distinguished from the invitation to offer. An offer is a final expression of the willingness by the offerer or to be bound by his offer should be the party choose to accept it. Where a party without expressing his final willingness proposes certain terms on which he is willing to negotiate, he does not make an offer, but merely he is making an invitation to offer. It's just an invitation to the offer. But this is the basic distinction between an offer and an invitation to offer. So the display of articles with the price in itself in a self-service shop is merely an invitation to offer. We cannot conclude as at an itself. It is of no sense. It is in no sense an offer for sale. The acceptance of which constitutes a contract. Therefore, even in this case, selecting some articles and approaching the cashier for payment is simply making an offer to buy the articles selected by you. So, if I do not accept the price, the interested buyer, that is you, cannot compel me to sell the articles itself. So now we need to understand that what are the basic essentials that a valid offer has so that we can understand the difference between an proper offer and an invitation to offer. Okay, so first of all, the offer must be communicated to the other party. The offer is only complete when it has been communicated to the offeree. Until the offer is communicated, it cannot be accepted. Thus, an offer is accepted without its knowledge does not confer any legal right on the acceptor itself. Second would be the offer must be made with a view to obtain the consent of the offeree. So when a person is making an offer, it means that he is making it with a view to obtain the consent of the offeree itself. As soon as the offeree accepts it, the offerer is bound by it. That would be the second essential. Let's talk about the third essential now, which is the offer must have its terms definite and clear. The terms of an offer must be definite, clear, and certain. If the terms of the offer are vague or is uncertain, in such a situation, the contract will not come into an existence. So in this situation, when we talk about this situation also, even though the terms were clear to the person, it was just an invitation to offer that one cannot conclude as being an offer to sale itself. And the fourth one would be the offer must be capable of creating a legal relationship between the two. An offer must be such that when accepted, it will result into a valid contract. In this situation, if it would have been accepted, it would have been a valid contract. It cannot be a mere social invitation. A mere social invitation cannot be regarded as an offer. Because such an invitation is accepted, it will not give rise to any legal relationship. And the fifth And the fifth essential would be that the offer must express the final willingness of the offerer. This pertaining to our situation, this is the most important essential that will make us understand the distinction between the two. So therefore the terms of the offer should be such that it contains the final willingness of the offerer. Sometimes a party does not express his final willingness but proposes a certain term that he is willing to negotiate on. In such cases, he is not making an offer because he is not expressing his final willingness to enter into the contract itself. So when I opened the shop, the self-service shop, I was just inviting you to offer me a price on which I can sell my goods. It was not like that I was making an offer itself to you that the price you quote to me, I will sell the goods to you on that price itself. So therefore, in this situation, you need to understand that there is a distinction between the two. There are two different concepts altogether, and in such a situation, you cannot bound the seller itself to sell his goods on the price that he is not willing to buy, or he is not willing to sell on that price. So that's all for today. Thank you.